Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can find matching jobs on LinkedIn. So I'm currently here on LinkedIn. So you just head over to jobs up here and then you'll see that there are some stuff. There is a job title that I'm currently assigned to, such as video editor. And this is all based upon the skills that I have, or like when I was creating this account. So when you create your account, make sure to have it the way that you want it, choose the skills that's match best for you. But if you can't, don't worry, I'll show you something else. And what you can do actually is head over just to search. Just search up a job here. Let's say I want to be a video editor, and these are some of the jobs that we have, but we want it to fully match our standards. So just click on all filters and just choose which one that fits you best, match you best, and just click on entry level and some stuff, and just want to go part-time. Now it's getting little by little. Now it's just 6 results, and as you can see, these jobs are matched to us. Like it says that even our profile matches this job. Yeah, that is how you find matching jobs on LinkedIn. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe for this. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye.